These are the new Space One. They're Soundcore's latest over-the-ear noise-canceling headphones that offer you a lot of bang for your buck. They feature an all-new floating design with an 8-degree angle for a natural fit, wear detection to play pause music when you put them on and take them off, upgraded adaptive noise cancellation and noise reduction features, 40mm drivers for crisp high-res sound, Hear ID Tech to create a custom sound profile, multi-point Bluetooth connectivity, and best of all of this comes in at under $100. Seriously, these might just be the best budget headphones that you can buy right now. Before we continue on with this review though, you guys know the drill. Let us rewind to a quick unboxing so you guys can see what you get in the box. Alright, so when you get the Space One and open the box, you're gonna find the headphones right on top. What instantly surprised me about these things is the weight. Seriously, the Space One feel like they are as light as a feather. Obviously, that's a stretch, but these headphones are very, very lightweight. Also in the box, you're gonna find a matching carrying pouch, some documentation, a USB-C charging cable, and a matching audio cable. Another thing that surprised me about these headphones is the flexibility. As you've been seeing, you can literally bend and twist these things any which way you want. The headband and the ear cups are also super soft and plushy. On each ear cup, you're gonna find buttons to power on and power off the headphones, adjust volume, change the noise cancellation mode, and all of that. All around, the build quality here is solid, especially for a pair of headphones that are under $100. Next up is comfort. How do the Space One feel when you wear them? I gotta say, this is an area where they excel big time. At first, I thought they were a little tight when I put them on, but once they open up after a few uses, these things feel like a dream. That lightweight design paired with the plushy headband and ear cups make these headphones extremely comfortable to wear for long periods of time. I've already worn these things on 2 flights, I've edited videos with them, and I've used them to casually listen to music and watch movies. They've just been an absolute joy to wear each and every time. What's interesting is that the Space One also include an optional wear detection mode. This is a feature that is normally only found in more expensive headphones, so it's kind of interesting that Soundcore included it here. When you have it on, the headphones will start playing when you put them on, and they're gonna pause when you take them off. I found this to be accurate and work really well. However, like I said before, it's an optional feature that you can toggle on and off in the Soundcore app, so if you don't want to use it, you don't have to use it. Now, let's talk about sound quality and noise cancellation. How do the Space One sound and block out noise? I'm happy to report that these things do an amazing job at both. Well, they actually do an incredible job at both. The sound quality is all around excellent. In fact, I would pit these against headphones that are twice their price. I would confidently bet on the Space One having just as good sound, if not better, than the more expensive option. The sound here is crisp, it's clear, and it's punchy with the bass right out of the box with no tweaks. Just like with other Soundcore headphones though, you can use the Soundcore app to fine-tune the sound quality to your liking. You can switch between a number of different presets, you can manually adjust things with an equalizer, and much more. The amount of flexibility that you get to customize these headphones is incredible. In addition to the sound, you can also adjust the noise cancellation features, which are just as impressive. As I mentioned before, I've already taken these headphones on 2 flights since I've had them, and their performance in noise cancellation just blew me away. They're not going to completely eliminate noise on something as loud as a plane, but they come pretty darn close. Again, for under $100, truly impressive stuff. The Space One aren't the best noise canceling headphones that you can buy for travel, but they may just be the best bang for your buck headphones that you can buy for travel at the moment. The difference between having the headphones on with no music playing and having them off on a plane is truly insane. These are an impressive pair of headphones that perform like they should be more expensive than they are. And last but not least is battery life. If you've ever used a pair of Soundcore headphones before, you already know that battery life is really good and well above the average. I'm happy to report that the Space One continue on with that trend. You're gonna get about 40 hours of playtime with ANC on and about 55 hours with it off. I've been using these headphones for a few weeks now, and I literally only charge these things once. Charging isn't something you're gonna have to do very often with these headphones. However, like everything, it all depends on how much you're going to be using them. Still, you're easily going to be able to power through pretty much anything and everything. Long flights, multiple workouts at the gym, and days, maybe even weeks of casual listening or watching movies. I found battery life to be that good. When you finally do run low, the Space One feature fast charging capabilities, so you're going to be able to get about 5 hours of playtime from a quick 10-minute charge. When you're in a pinch, this feature is very handy to have. To start wrapping this review up, I really like the Space One. I've used many different headphones over the years, including ones from Soundcore, and they hit the nail on the head with these things. Not only do they look great, but the sound quality is amazing. The noise cancellation is impressive and rivals more expensive options, and battery life is unbelievably good. What more could you ask for out of a pair of headphones, especially ones that are this cheap? Soundcore is an interesting brand that actually makes their headphones better and more affordable every year. In the world of tech, that is very hard to come by. Usually things get better and more expensive, so this is a nice change of pace. If you want a new pair of over-the-ear headphones with noise cancellation features and you don't want to spend a whole lot, the Space One here should definitely be at the top of your list. These things are fantastic. So that's about all I got for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, you know the drill. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow @Raymond Strazdas on Twitter, or X as the cool kids call it nowadays, and Instagram for so much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!